Oh, mahilig sa bread. Guys, para may dagko kay nga bread. Organic bread. Pero medyo expensive na siya, guys. Costly. Okay lang, napwit 450 oh. Pero yummy manggod na siya organic bread. Then kani chocolate roll. I love this. Impas ka sa kuaron kay magmukbang ta og chocolate roll. Then squash ang ara kalami silang tinapay. Yummy tinapay. Then choco oat danish. Organic ni siya nga tinapay, guys. So medyo costly but still yummy. So we have a lot of options today. Choco fudge bun. Oh my god, expensive 890 pero okay lang. I will try this one. One piece. Ooh, temptation. Napajoy donut, guys, ni strawberry flavor. Oh my goodness. Tag 590. Cream crumble donut. To apa jud choco crunchy. Hello, kalami sa ilohang donut karon. Uy, so tempting. It's so tempting to eat. I will buy this. Mag-buy ko og variety flavor. Da mirisi ni Alma. Ano bitang nagjalan-jalan ka na. Okay, guys. Yummy. Mushroom tartine. Mushroom tartine. I love this mushroom tartine. Then, ako siya kare-kare tuna danish. That yummy. Oh my god. But I always buy this one. Hotdog bread. Kasi nakakabusog siya, guys. Sausage fiery ang tawag kaya ni. Hindi lang simple hotdog. Sausage fiery. O, di apa garlic cheese. Yummy. Oh my god. Bakit ang sarap ng mga ano nila. Apa. Ara. Datap. Yummy. Ara, tag 590. Hello, yummy man kaayo ni ilang mga flavorings karon. Oh my goodness. I love this. Nakakatakam naman to, guys. Kabili nga nito at saka yung sausage. Or chicken floss. One of my favorites also, guys. One of my daily bread that I used to buy in another shop. Hello, it's so yummy. Malaysia bread, guys. Different pero same sa bakery basta palit ka ginani, a lot of options. Para mga choco lover, mega love shout out to the choco lover. Mapa bread man or chocolates or ice cream lang. Maganda to ipare sa ice cream na chocolates. Alag, so yummy. Oh my goodness. So. Mata.